How much can it cost an organization to process a form manually? When an organization uses paper or another type of electronic form, manual processing is probably required. This form must be received, validated, and related records must be updated. Let's take this employee time off request, for instance. This is a form commonly processed daily in many organizations. But how much is this form costing the organization? When this request is received, our HR representative must perform tasks associated with receiving the form, validating the information, and updating the physical and electronic records for the employee requesting time off. At her current salary, 35 minutes processing a single form costs the company $11.22. Over the course of a year, if she processes 100 time off requests, this will cost the company over $1,000. Now, if we automate this process using e-forms as a part of an OnBase solution, we can drastically reduce the amount of time this HR representative spends processing the form, translating into significant savings over the course of a year. But our HR department has more than one employee. If 5 representatives each process 100 time off requests per year, then the labor cost is really starting to become significant. And that's just for one form. We all know that HR has many forms that they use in the course of their workday. If they have to process 20 forms manually throughout the year, the labor cost can add up to over $100,000. Let's compare paper and other types of electronic forms to e-forms. Paper forms have to undergo many steps to manage them in the physical world and to convert them to an electronic format. Other types of electronic forms still require manual labor associated with receiving, indexing, and storing those forms. E-forms, on the other hand, are created electronically and automatically imported and indexed into OnBase with the click of a button. E-form fields are mapped to keyword values in OnBase. Upon submission, these form fields are saved as keywords automatically. This eliminates the labor associated with indexing manually imported forms. E-forms have the best of both worlds. Because they are OnBase forms, they have the necessary OnBase functionality to expedite business processes within the OnBase solution. They are also HTML forms, allowing them to take advantage of the functionality and flexibility native to the HTML format. HTML forms do not require any proprietary software to create, view, or edit form templates or information. Additionally, scripts can be used to increase accuracy of data and enhance the user experience. eForms can be accessed from all OnBase clients, Workflow, Application Enabler, and be made available on an external website using Login FormProc to process them into OnBase. eForms can eliminate the labor, cost, and risk-intensive tasks generally associated with processing, importing, and indexing forms in your daily business process. eForms can enable your organization to automate processes and accurately capture business-critical data directly into OnBase. If you would like more information about eForms, please visit the eForms blog at users.onbase.com.